In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Asana. Managing projects effectively often means keeping track of numerous tasks and deadlines. For this, the reminder function on Asana can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive into how you can set this up easily and efficiently. To begin, you need to head over to Asana. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage, where you're greeted with a display of all your recent activities and ongoing projects. This overview is your starting point for keeping an eye on everything you're working on. So, take a moment to familiarize yourself with this screen if you haven't already. Now, the next step is to focus on a particular project where you'd like to set up your reminders. Go ahead and click on the chosen project. Doing so will open up detailed information about the tasks and progress related to that project. This is key for getting a good grasp of what needs your immediate attention and what can wait. Once you're inside your selected project, you'll need to locate the Customize option. Typically, this can be found towards the right side of the project toolbar. The Customize menu holds a wealth of tools that allow you to tailor your project experience to suit your needs. From here, we are specifically interested in the Rules feature. Rules are helpful as they allow you to automate repetitive actions, making your project flow both smoother and more efficient. After you've clicked on Rules, you'll see an option to add. Clicking this is essential because it's where you start to create your new custom rule. Custom rules in Asana are highly versatile and can be tailored to trigger actions based on various conditions. Now let's move on to creating your custom rule. Asana makes this process user-friendly by guiding you through the necessary steps. Start by choosing a trigger. Triggers are events in your project that initiate the reminder. They could range from when a due date is approaching to when a task is moved to a specific section of your project. It's entirely up to you how you want to set these parameters. Following that, you'll want to add a condition. Conditions specify under what circumstances your rule will apply. For instance, you might decide that the reminder should only trigger if a task is assigned to you personally. This adds an extra layer of specificity to your reminders, ensuring they're as useful as possible. Finally, it's time to set the action, which in this case is the actual sending of the reminder. Once you've defined this action, the final step is to click on Publish Rule. This activates your custom rule across the project, meaning you will start receiving reminders according to the criteria you've established. And there you have it, a straightforward method to ensure that you never miss a task or deadline again. Setting reminders on Asana is a great time management strategy, helping you stay organized and efficient in all your projects. Thanks for watching, and start implementing these steps to take full control of your task management on Asana.